English long sentences practice. Even though it was raining heavily, the children continued to play outside, laughing and splashing in the puddle as if the weather didn't bother them at all. After finishing her work early, Maria decided to visit the library, where she spent several hours reading books about the history, science and world culture. If you want to improve your English quickly, you need to practice every day, by reading, writing, listening and speaking as much as possible. Despite being tired from a long day at school, she still helped his little brother with her homework before going to bed. When the power went out during the storm, we lit candles, told stories, and waited patiently for the electricity to come back. Would you like more sentences like this? Let me know in the comment box.